call this guy the big guy, and he's got a big chunk out of his right hand side of his tail. Also in Coron, we went up on the super tour, island hopping tour, the ultimate super, and it was fantastic fish. Lots of white sand on the beach and out in the ocean. As you can see, lots and lots of tropical fish, and Annie is loving it up there. And this was up at Macapula Island, and the great thing about Annie snorkeling is she can barely swim, so it's a great thing. Then at Seven Islands we found this smaller turtle. I was very happy to be able to catch him breathing 3 times into the atmosphere. So he's come out of the water and breathed 3 times. I caught him on film. There he goes. That's from underneath the water. Then we have Annie at the thermal springs in Coron. Here we go back out to the Finding Nemo. This was down at Seven Islands in Coron also. Absolutely spectacular. Looks like it's all artificially digitised, but it's all real. Amazing colours. Then we have this little tropical fish goes down and finds the big guy. Now the big guy was very friendly. They call them at Seven Islands in Coron, they call them the friendly turtles. So you can see on his back right hand side there's been a big chunk out of that. So I don't know what happened there. They haven't got too many sharks over this part of the world, so he might have hit a bit of reef, or somebody's come along and had a bit of a bite out of him. Anyway, he was very friendly. I just swam above him, about 3 foot above him, and just cruised along. It was very peaceful. And then I caught him having a little breath also. So very fortunate to catch 2 turtles on the one day, and caught them both sneaking up for a breath. So I felt very privileged. Lots and lots of tropical fish, yellow ones. This is Annie having a snorkel at El Nido, which was pretty good snorkeling, but I found the other places better. This is at Port Barton, which has lots of turtles. Then we have lots of very colourful fish, and then a huge volume of fish, lots and lots of yellow ones, lots of colourful fish. And then these are just natural corals and a very bright blue clam, which is outstanding. Then at Seven Islands, we finished off with another Finding Nemo fish. They're only small, but because they're orange and white, they're very spectacular.